up in here, you know, but it's fine.
Like, I have some white shirts that are just like really like just terrible, like that one. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am Jessaris. For today's video, I have been wanting to clean out my closet because nothing fits. Well, things fit, but not everything. And there's a lot of things that I don't really use anymore. A lot of things that don't really reflect who I am anymore, I guess. And a lot of things that just I don't want to wear and I don't want because I just don't feel like wearing them or I don't like them. Everything that I have is just not what I want. So I want to either sell, donate, or send a lot of my clothes to this one company called 4 Days. If you buy a bag, you can put as many clothes as you want, or like just a bunch of material that you don't want, even like bags, and they will recycle it and make new clothes with your old clothes. I think it's clothes that they sell. So I mean, if I can't sell anything or donate to a place that actually is going to give clothes to people in need, then I might go for the route for 4 Days. Let me know in the comments if you know of a place that actually donates clothes to people in need. I don't want to give my clothes to like Goodwill or the Salvation Army because I know that they will take stuff in, but they sell it. It defeats the purpose, in my opinion, when you are donating, because you're not really giving to someone in need. You're giving it to a company that is just going to make profit off of your stuff. So I don't want to do that. I want to actually give my clothes to someone who actually needs them. Let me know also in the comments, where should I sell? I know there's like Depop, Poshmark. Let me know which one's better. I honestly don't really know much about them, but let me know if those would be any good. I did a little bit of laundry and everything's in here. I actually have another load. I haven't been able to wash because California is wet right now. It's raining non-stop. I don't want to step outside. I actually have some dirty clothes here on the floor. So if you see that, I don't think you will, but if you do, it's kind of messy up in here, you know, but it's fine. It's fine. This is brand new. It's not really something that I like. Not me. And I don't want anything that is not me, because then it's just gonna sit here and pile up and collect dust. I might just try to sell this because it's brand new, so I can probably sell it. Everything's kind of unorganized. I just shove things in now. Have been wanting to start over, and of course with the new year, I think it's a good time for me to declutter, and everything is just like just shoved in. I also have things under my bed, and I have a big mueble here with 3 cajones. There's a bunch of stuff in those cajones that I do not want, and it's a lot. I'm gonna try to put as many clothes that I don't want in one of my suitcases. Well, my only suitcase. Girl, you only have one. Alright, so this is the suitcase. I'm very confident that not everything is gonna fit in here, but as much as possible will have to be in here. Peaches, you know, I need to get all of this stuff and then put it back in the closet. Can you please move? Can you please move? This pile right here is all from the closet. I don't want any of these. I don't know what I'm going to sell. donate. I just have it right here. I'm gonna do this next. I'm scared. This is where most of the stuff that I don't want is gonna come out from, and the pile is gonna get huge. Like, this is kind of big-ish. My cajones are a mess right now because every day that I come out of the shower and I'm looking for something to wear for the day, no encuentro nada que quiero usar, and this is why I'm doing this. I don't like any of my clothes. I don't feel good in any of my clothes. I don't feel pretty, and everything's a mess because I shove everything back and forth. So, you know, just a little disclaimer, everything's really messy right now. Eventually I'll have everything organized. I just need to get rid of the things that I don't want so I can make room for when I get new things that I do want and I do want to wear. So this is pretty much the pile of clothes that I am not gonna want. Maybe this one. Yo, I bought this and it ripped. I didn't even get to wear it. So I wanna see if I can get it fixed so I can actually wear it. But this is the pile of clothes from the cajones que ya no quiero. I don't know if everything's gonna fit in the suitcase. And then this bottom drawer, I didn't really go through it because it's mostly my rave clothes. Honestly, if I can make anything from in here fit again at some point, that would be great. I don't want to really get rid of my rave stuff. There's things in here that I haven't worn in a while, so if I go to a festival, it feels like I'm wearing it for the first time again. A lot of rave clothes are really expensive, so I want to see if I can make these clothes work again. Okay, that's the pile of things that I do not want. I'm either going to sell some stuff, donate, and then send some stuff to the company for days. Like, I have some white shirts that are just like really like just terrible, like that one. What the fuck? Oh my god, look at this, is nasty. This is really old. It's clean, I washed it, but it's just very old. Like that, I'm not gonna sell or donate, you know? So this is a good example to go for 4 days so that it can be recycled and turned into something new. The suitcase is not small, but it's also not big enough for everything that's in here. So I'll see what I can fit in here. And the stuff that I'm not going to sell or donate, I'm just gonna put them in a bag because they're going to go away. To fit everything that I took out of the cajones and then the closet. This pile is the donating pile, and then over here I have things that I am going to sell, or at least try to sell. It's not that many. It's a couple of things that I think they might sell. I put things here that have tags, were worn like one time or not at all. It's probably like just 10 items, and then all of this is donating, which is pretty much everything, or at least more than half. And then this pile right here is gonna go to 4 days. I'm gonna buy the bags and then just put this stuff in those bags that arrive. For now, I'm gonna put it in just some separate bags. But this stuff right here is just very worn out, and I know that for sure I don't want to give it to someone or to someone in need if it's really bad and worn out and like thin. Like this one right here, for example, if I donated or if someone were to buy it, like it's all messed up, like it's all twisted. I don't know, the material was just bad, I guess. My whites that are here are just terrible and nasty looking. So 4 days for it to be recycled and turned into something new would be great. This pants right here, I really liked it, but it got stained. I have another pants here that is also stained. This is ripped, you know, and it's very worn out. So yeah, that's the 3 piles: recycled, donated, and sold. I do have a couple other items that I do not want, but I'm keeping for the moment, because if I get rid of everything, I'm not gonna have anything to wear. So kind of felt good to declutter a little bit. I still have a long way to go. I have a mess. Things are not very organized. So there's other things that I need to do in order to feel like I'm starting the year off right and like completely decluttered. But this was the first step, and I'm glad I got it done. I've been wanting to do this for such a long time, and I kept putting it off. It was time. I need to get rid of the things that I don't wear. And you might be saying like, girl, that's a lot of stuff. I know there's things here that I've had for years. And when I say years, I literally mean I've had this stuff for almost 10 years or more. Yeah, it's time to let a lot of this go. I don't want to hold on to this no more. So that's that for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the time lapse of me decluttering my spaces where my clothes are. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like, subscribe, leave a comment with any info that any of you know for me to donate, and that is it. I will see you on the next one. Well, you will see. That is it. I think I've said that is it for like 20 times now. Bye. Stay tuned for the next video.